friends, in this video I'd like to show you how I make my banana mango smoothie. This smoothie is delicious but healthy. If you want a weight loss or health journey like me, um, and you're craving something sweet, well, this smoothie would be perfect for you to try. And these are some things that you might need to make this smoothie. But we're gonna get to the specific later. So I start by prepping everything. I cut my um, strawberry, ginger, my mango, and I cut up the pineapple that I will be using as well. And as you can see, I'm cutting everything into small pieces since I'm going to blend everything. Well, these are the things that you will need. 2 to 3 cups of spinach. You will need half cup of strawberry, 2 cups of pineapple. You will need one large mango. You could also use one medium-sized mango. 1 cup of almond milk, 1 cup of coconut water. Make sure it doesn't have added sugar. 2 bananas, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and half ounce of ginger. If you want more ginger, you can do that too. And don't forget ice. All right, friends. To begin the blending process, I added the 2 cups of pineapple and then the coconut water and the almond milk, 1 cup of each, and ice to my blender. And if you want to use lots of ice, or more than I use in this video, please feel free to do that. That's no problem. Um, and then after I blend those, I added the mango and ginger and my bananas to the blender. And then lastly, I added the spinach. Again, I used 3 cups of spinach here. If you want to use less, you can do that, but it's good to add some veggies to your smoothies. It makes your smoothies a lot healthier. So, and then lastly, I added the chia seed to the smoothie. And here you go, friends. You have this wonderful, delicious, but healthy smoothie here. This is one of my favorite smoothies. You gotta try this. And this is my favorite part of the video, right? Is to drink. Ah, you need to try this recipe. If you try it once, you'll see that it's gonna become a staple one for you. Thank you, friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.